Yeah. Sometimes the loudest battles are the ones nobody ever hears. This is for everyone who's been smiling through the pain. Another night, another road with nowhere left to go. The world's moving fast while I'm still moving slow. Looking at my reflection, asking who I become. Trying to find the light, but the daylight never comes. People only see the smile that I wear on my face. They never see the storms that I'm trying to erase. Every broken promise left another little scar. Now I'm wondering if healing is really that far. I carried every burden like it belonged to me. Built invisible walls that nobody could see. Every I'm okay was another disguise, trying to hide the tears that were filling my eyes. I gave my heart to people who forgot my name. Stayed loyal while they treated love like a game. Now I'm picking up pieces scattered on the floor, trying to rebuild someone I don't know anymore. I kept running from the pain inside, but scars never fade and scars never lie. Every tear became another lesson learned. Every bridge I crossed was another breach burned. I'm still standing even though I break, carrying the weight that I cannot escape. Every scar became another page, every hurt became another stage. If nobody hears my voice tonight, I'll turn my darkness into light. I won't let my story fade away. I'm still fighting for another day. There were nights I couldn't even fall asleep. Memories I buried started digging way too deep. The silence in my room became my loudest friend. Every beginning felt like another painful end. People say be strong, like it's easy to survive when you're barely finding reasons just to stay alive. I'm not looking for pity, I'm just telling my truth, trying to hold on to the dreams I had in my youth. Every goodbye echoed inside my mind, leaving broken pieces that I couldn't leave behind. I kept chasing hope through the pouring rain, believing one day I'd smile again. Some days I worked, some days I lost. Every victory came with another cost. Still I kept walking through the endless night, believing someday everything will be alright. Maybe tomorrow the sky will clear. Maybe hope is closer than it appears. Every mountain starts with one small climb. Maybe healing only needs a little time. I'm not perfect, never claimed to be. I'm just learning how to finally set myself free. Now I look behind and I finally understand. Every broken moment helped me learn to stand. The people who left were part of the plan. They couldn't stop what God already began. The scars on my heart are stories I survived, proof that even broken souls can come alive. Every failure taught me something success never could. Now I see the bad was leading to the good. I'm done chasing people who don't care, done pretending life has always been fair. If I fall again, I'll rise once more, stronger than I've ever been before. This isn't the end, it's only the start. Every broken piece still belongs to my heart. I'm writing my future one line at a time, turning every painful memory into rhyme. I'm still standing even though I fall, learning how to answer every lonely call. The road is rough but I'll survive as long as hope is still alive. These scars don't define who I can be, they're only proof life couldn't bury me. I'll keep walking through the darkest night until I finally find the light. If you're listening and you're carrying pain no one can see, keep going. One chapter doesn't decide your whole story. Your scars aren't your ending, they're proof you survived.